Are you kicking off a new construction project and looking for top-notch scaffolding? Whether you need to buy or rent, finding a solution that's strong, safe, and reliable is absolutely crucial for any build. Well, your search ends right here. At Hasnain Ahmed Scaffolding Building Trading, we understand that scaffolding is the backbone of your project. It's what keeps your team safe and your work efficient. That's why we provide robust scaffolding systems that are perfect for any job, big or small. From residential homes to sprawling commercial complexes, and even large-scale industrial sites. Our solutions are designed to deliver maximum safety, stability, and productivity on site. We're proud to be one of the best scaffolding companies right here in Sharjah, UAE. Our commitment is simple: to provide the purest, highest quality scaffolding products that meet and exceed industry standards. Every piece of equipment we offer is trusted by construction professionals all across the region. We know every project is unique, so whether you're looking to purchase scaffolding outright or need a flexible rental plan, we've got you covered. We'll work with you to find a solution that fits your specific needs and, just as importantly, your budget. So, what makes us stand out? First, we use only premium quality materials. This means our scaffolding systems are not only safe, but also incredibly durable and reliable, giving you peace of mind. They're versatile and suitable for all types of construction projects. Plus, you get all of this at competitive prices, backed by our excellent customer service. We believe in building relationships, not just structures. Want to see what we offer? Head over to our website at scaffolding.com to explore our full range of products and services. You'll find all the details you need to make an informed decision for your next project. Ready to get a quote or have a few questions? Our team is always here to help. You can give us a call anytime at 9715-553-15477. Or if you prefer, shoot us an email at usmanscaffolding@gmail.com. We're always responsive and ready to assist. Our company is led by our CEO, Mr. Ahmed, who is personally dedicated to ensuring every client receives trusted scaffolding solutions with quality you can truly depend on. His vision for excellence drives everything we do. So, don't wait. We have scaffolding for sale and rent available right now. Contact us today to get started. Choose Hasnain Ahmed Scaffolding Building Trading, your reliable partner for the very best scaffolding solutions in Sharjah and across the entire UAE. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you soon.